Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back to again another video. And as you see, I'm standing here in front of my 300 SD, and with this being, kind of the family day, as everybody knows that that's been following my channel. Sunday is kind of the family day when my kids, my daughters, come and old Jose. That's what we call him. That's what he is on the channel. But his real name is Uriel, my daughter's boyfriend. He works on cars with me, and we kind of do things. It's a family thing. So, while Madison, my daughter, is in helping her mom with her mom's weird hobby and all those plants that are in the house, it's just one of those things that we kind of do this, and then I cook. Either I cook or we all share in the cooking of a family dinner in the evening. And of course, now we're coming into football season, and today there's a preseason Chiefs game on TV, which I don't think I'm going to be able to watch because I don't have NFL Sunday Ticket, and it's on a Kansas City station, which I'm too far to receive. I could probably get to that one online somehow, but regardless, it's soon becoming football season, so our Sundays are going to be occupied with football. However, hopefully, maybe today, and in the 280 SEL is right here, where we've determined after putting in the stereo that there was a wiring issue somewhere regarding the power windows. Jose, I'll be working on that. I may be working on this. This here, I need to pull the instrument cluster out, and I've talked about this in previous videos. The odometer does not work, which is typical in the 126s, and the rheostat for the dimming and brightening of the dash lights does not work. It has no instrument cluster lights or any dash lights at all. And so there's a trick where you solder across the points of the rheostat. So that's one goal. It's supposed to be ridiculously hot again today. They just came out with a heat advisory, so the temperature is supposed to be, the heat index is supposed to be over 105. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to, handle being out here. As a lot of you know, I've had heart issues. The other thing, the carpet came in for so I can replace this. Do the carpet on this. And I also have another project too for the 350 SL, and these are things I could take inside and take this carpet off of here and put the new carpet on it and glue it down. I could do that in the house and then come put this in the car. So that's another possible thing we might do, rather than me trying to brave the heat out here. But regardless, those are a couple of the projects. Lastly, let me give you the update. I'm going to take the camera and we're going to walk out around here. Give you the update on the GL350 Diesel Blue Tech. So a week ago, we did a video on this vehicle changing out the PCV valve. Now, Jose, it took a little over 3 hours to get it done, and then I let him, because there's another video coming up. My daughter's Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, the transmission is going out, or pretty much has, for the most part, it's completely out in reverse. and the forward gears are starting to grind a little bit, and it only has 119,000 miles on it. But that could be another video. But regardless, first of all, after Jose got the PCV valve changed in this, I let him take it home. He took it for pretty much for the week, and put probably 150 miles on it so far. Check engine light, knock on wood, has not come back on. So no more oil getting into the turbo. The other thing, as you see, and I don't know if you can see this in the video, there's a ball hitch on here. He got to tow with my GL350 for the first time. It's the first time it's ever had anything since I've owned it, towing with it. And so he had to get a U-Haul trailer to go take the Jeep to a transmission shop to have it diagnosed. So more to come. That may be a video. I don't know if we're going to try and do a transmission replacement, or pay someone to rebuild it, or get the rebuild kit, take the transmission out ourselves. I don't know. I don't have the garage space for that, especially because I've got that car, the 280 SEL in there. So I don't know, folks. This is, and with times as tough as they are, it's going to be a challenge. So I don't know what to do. Times are tough, and they're experiencing the same thing pretty much anybody else is. So I don't know if it's I don't know what to do, and my daughter doesn't know what to do either. So more to come. We'll give you the updates on that. But yes, a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It doesn't have the Hemi engine, but it has the 8-speed transmission, has failed at 119,000 miles. Who'd have thought? They just don't, manufacturers are just not making things quality anymore. I mean, seriously. I don't know what to say. And so, we're finding lots of cars that are, in my videos that I'm putting out there that, there's some good bargains of cars out there. Well, some of them do run, some of them don't. But I've been seeing on Marketplace a lot of cars for under $2,000. Might need a little work, and they may have 140,000 miles on it. Folks, it's ridiculous. They're not building cars like they used to. I mean, engine failures at 100,000 miles, transmission failures at 120,000 miles or 130,000 miles. Of course, it takes, in like the Grand Cherokee, you don't have a dipstick, so you can't check it. You don't know if the fluid's low. You don't know if the fluid is overfull. Jared was the first person to diagnose it, and he couldn't tell whether it was overfull or not. But it got to extremely high temperature, so that tells me the clutch plates are that are out. So more to come. But I'm getting frustrated with the way the car manufacturers are. They're building just disposable cars. So the good old stuff, easy to take care of, easy to service, easy to check. You don't get it they don't build them like they used to. Thanks for watching. Keep following. Hit subscribe if you hadn't. This is we'll keep going on that. I will try and do a video on, I will try and do a video when I take the cluster out of this and take the odometer apart. I do have the kit for the odometer, the little plastic wheels. I do have that. I've done it before. I did it on a 190, a 190E, the one that my father-in-law has down in Louisiana. And so, The biggest challenge is getting the cluster out, and this does not have, I don't believe this has a telescoping wheel, and I'm going to wonder if I've got to take the steering wheel off in order to pull the cluster. On the 190, it had a telescoping wheel, so I could get the steering wheel away from the dash enough to slide the cluster out. But we'll double check on this one, and that'll be in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and be safe out there.